Good morning, guys. Captain Dylan Hubbard here at Hubbard's Marina. We've got our 10-hour all-day heading out here to do some deep-sea fishing aboard the Friendly Fisherman. Captain Frank, Smokey, Dennis, and Joe are heading out there to go catch some of those hogfish, kingfish, mackerel, hopefully some red grouper, maybe some mangrove snapper, lane snapper as well. Little breezy, little bumpy, but we are able to pull this trip off, thankfully. We've got an east wind right now, so the further from shore we go, the more exponentially rough it gets. But near shore, in the first 10 to 15 miles, even the first 20 miles or so, it's doable. The Hub headed out there on a 6-hour private charter. We got the Friendly going out on a 10-hour today. The Florida is taking our 5-hour half day out. Unfortunately, had to cancel our 39-hour trip that leaves today because of Hurricane Zeta, and then the 12-hour Extreme tomorrow has also had to be canceled due to Hurricane Zeta. But at least we were able to get some trips out there closer to shore and still stay on those hogfish. The kingfish are pretty thick right now. We're seeing a lot of bait near the beach, near the passes, jetties, Egmont Key around that area. A lot of mackerel, a lot of kingfish. Hogfish bites picking up. Gags are starting to move in. It's a great time to get out there as long as the weather will allow. We've got our National Marine Fisheries meetings, the Gulf Council meeting going on the next couple days. It is scheduled Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. till about 5 p.m. But there's a chance Hurricane Zeta might even disrupt that schedule, so they're going to be making an announcement today. But I'll be attending that Gulf Council meeting, keeping you guys up to date with what's going on with the regulations. This afternoon, 4:30 to 6 p.m., the Gulf Council and NOAA agency is holding a public roundtable discussion. So if you've ever wanted to ask Dr. Crabtree or the agency or the Gulf Council a question live in person, today's virtual roundtable from 4:30 to 6:30 is your, or 4:30 to 6 is your option to do so. You can just go to the Gulf Council website and just simply type in Gulf Council meetings and it will come up. You'll be able to find the agenda for today's Gulf Council meeting. We're talking reef fish, and then after the council there'll be a little link for you to sign up for that roundtable discussion. Would love to have some of you guys from our area join and ask questions and get involved. So great opportunity there. Also keep in mind, every Sunday night, 8:30 p.m., we've got that live stream show. Would love to have you join us for that. Every Friday morning at 8:15 a.m., we've got the Good Catch segment live on Fox Channel 13 News. We're fighting hard for our pass here to save Johns Pass. Make sure you check out SaveJohnsPass.com if you haven't done so already. It's got all the information on what's going on and what we're fighting for. You can join the movement by going to SaveJohnsPass.com, entering your name, phone number, and email, and make sure you read that information on the website. Tell all your friends to go to SaveJohnsPass.com, and any posts you make about it, make sure to use the hashtag SaveJohnsPass. So working hard on removing the sand, fighting fishing regulations, while balancing catching a bunch of fish. So come out and see us inside Johns Pass at Hubbard's Marina. And don't forget, if you're too busy to go fishing, you're just too darn busy. Have a great day, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Hope you have a great week. We'll see you Friday morning on Fox 13. We'll see you Sunday night on our live show. And hopefully we'll see you in Johns Pass in between now and then. Thanks, y'all.